PPG is one of the global leaders in paint, and we strive to give our customers a great experience when they come in to work with us. Our biggest mission is to make sure that we are beautifying the world through color. So our color studio in Lake Forest, California is centrally located to a lot of design studios. Here, we are able to establish and create paints for clients all over the globe. In particular, we do electronic materials and small industrial. So our color workshops really create a unique one-on-one experience for designers to come in and meet with our styling technicians. So we get to work with some really innovative designers and help bring their color creations to life.
It's important for customers to come in and see colors in person just because color is so subjective. Everyone sees color in their own way. So it really helps to have the client on site just so they can see how different colors translate into paint.
Color is a great way for customers to express themselves, and our clients know that. So when they come in and work with us, we're delivering them color trends that they can then add to their products. Color trends are research that we do to see what's happening around the world that are affecting human interaction. And we've seen such high increase of sales from customers just being able to be given the choice of what color they want on their product.
So our lab is fully equipped with a broad range of different technologies, all which are used for different application purposes and all which produce different kinds of effects. When you take a color panel, there's certain things such as how it changes in different lights, how different metallics will travel throughout the panel, how it feels when you hold it. So each color really has limitless options to be made.
The customer's able to get that paint chip right there within a few hours. And by the end of the color workshop, our customers leave with the colors that they have desired. When all of the colors have been developed in a color workshop, we are able to transition that color over to our China team and prepare that color for production and manufacturing.
From the very beginning, when we start a sample formulation, we are designing it within certain specifications so that once the color is approved, it's already on its way to being ready for production.
That process allows a seamless transition for our customers, which adds a really stress-free environment for them to trust that our company has that ability to take something from styling all the way to production.
Being a global leader in coating solutions, PPG able to give customers over 70 different countries local access to our exceptional products and support. Designers from different regions can choose to work with the closest color studio for new color development. The color design team in China and the US can share the formula and the color standards to ensure effective color communication from design to mass production. In addition, the color design team of China and the US jointly develops the PPG Global Color Trends and Styling Direction, incorporating both Eastern and Western color aesthetics and the texture influence to realize a global cross-culture perspective.
Here at PPG, we always want to make sure that we are up to date with everything that's happening in the technology world and with color. That way we're able to provide our customers the best type of service. Because of this, PPG protects and beautifies the world, and we stand by that and we live by that, and we make sure that our customers experience that every day.